Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Anwar. My metric number 06 DKA19 F1146. Select site of the location. Factor to be considered: select of site location. First, near to be source electric. The location of the treatment plant should be close to the electrical source required for operation. And second, far away from the city. The treatment plant should be sufficiently far away from the city and the network service. And the third is be the nearest agricultural land. The surplus can be used for irrigation, and the use of the liquid produce it as fertilizer. Retrieval of information. The retrieval of need information. First, the site is retrieved from Google Maps. Second, the location of the treatment plants are close to the electrical source necessary for operation. And the third is the location of the water treatment plant WTP are preferably be near the valleys.
Hello, I'm Devakumar, son of Paniselvam, and my metric number is 06 DKA19F1166. Today, I'm here to present about the component of water sewage system. There are three main types of stages in water sewage system, which is primary, secondary, and tertiary treatment. The primary treatment is also known as a solid remover in sewage system. The primary treatment consists of temporarily holding the sewage in a quiescent basin where heavy solids settle to the bottom, where grease, oil, and lighter solids float on the surface. Moreover, the secondary treatment is carried out to decompose the bacteria from sewage water. The secondary treatment removes dissolved and suspended biological matter. This treatment typically performed by the indigenous and waterborne microorganisms in managed habitat. The secondary treatment requires a separation process to remove the microorganism from the treated water prior to discharge or tertiary treatment. Tertiary treatment is the final cleaning process that improves the water quality before it reused, recycled, and discharged to the environment. The treatment removes remaining inorganic components such as nitrogen and phosphorus.
Hello, my name is Tivian Anaraki Selvakumar and my nomenclature is 06 DKA19F1145. So I'm going to talk about the mechanism of sewage treatment. Sewage treatment is a process of removing the contaminants from municipal waterways containing mainly household sewage plus some industrial water waste. So there are mainly four phases which are known as primary, secondary, tertiary, and lastly digestion. In primary treatment, sewage is stored in a basin where solids known as sludge can settle to the bottom, and the oil and lighter substance can rise to the top. These layers are then removed, and then remaining liquid can be sent to the secondary treatment. Sewage sludge is treated in a separate process is called sludge digestion. Secondary treatment is the second phase of sewage treatment. Secondary treatment removes dissolved and suspended biological matter, often using microorganisms in the controlled environment. Most secondary treatment systems use aerobic bacteria in which consume the organic components of the sewage. Some systems use fixed film system where the bacteria grow on the filters and the water passes through them. Suspended growth system use activate sludge where decomposition of bacteria are mixed directly into the sewage. Because oxygen is critical, the bacteria growth in the sewage is more mixed with the air to facilitate decomposition. So this phase are more to the decomposition using the microorganism. Tertiary treatment is also known as effluent polishing. It is used to further the clean water when it's being discharged into a sensitive ecosystem. Several methods can be used to further disinfect sewage beyond primary and secondary treatment. Sand filtration is where the water passes through a sand filter, can be used to remove particulate matter. Wastewater may still have high levels of nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. This can disrupt the nutrient balance of aquatic ecosystem and cause algae blooms and excessive weed growth in the water. Phosphorus can be removed biologically in the process called enhanced biological phosphorus removal. In this process, specific bacteria called polyphosphate accumulate organisms that store phosphate in the tissue. Nitrogen can also be removed using nitrifying bacteria. Thus, the water will not be disrupted or polluted. And the last part of sewage treatment is sludge digestion. Sewage slugs scraped off the bottom of the settling tank during the primary treatment is treated separately from the wastewater. Sludge can be disposed of in several ways. First, it can be digested using bacteria. Bacterial digestion can sometimes produce methane gas, which can be used to generate electricity. Other than that, sludge can also be increted or condensed by heating to disinfect it. It is reused as fertilizer.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zailan. My matrix number is 06DKA19F1144. Today, I would like to present about the management and disposal of the treated sewage and effluent. First of all, the management and disposal of sludge and effluent. The residue that accumulates in sewage treatment plants is called sludge or biosolid. Sewage sludge is the solid, semi-solid, or slurry residual material that is produced as a product of wastewater treatment process. It is classified as primary and secondary sludge. Primary sludge is generated from chemical precipitation or sedimentation. Secondary sludge is the active waste biomass resulting from biological treatments. And the last one, the sludge are combined together for further treatment and disposal. Next, sludge categories. It is divided by 3. Sludge originating from the treatment of urban wastewater, sludge from treatment industrial wastewater, and the last one, sludge from drinking water treatment. And the last one is the process of the management and disposal of treated